Let's now shift our attention to the other big story that we are tracking here on WION, and this, of course, has got to do with the Adani stocks, who, believe it or not, have started on a pretty positive note, stalling the deep losses that comes after some solid earnings that have been released from Adani Transmission, and also the decision of the National Stock Exchange, the NSA, to revise the lower bands for Adani firms' shares, which has also helped to prevent the massive movement in price of the group stocks. The NSE has reset the lower circuit for Adani Transmission and Adani Wilmar to 5% from the earlier 10%. And that, along with the solid earnings from Adani Transmission after market hours on Monday, has also cheered the investors. Because remember, when the market opened early this morning, there was expectation that Adani stocks could slide further, but that has not happened. What is interesting is that the Adani stock seems to have marginally moved up. India's largest private transmission and distribution company, Adani Transmission Limited, has reported a 73% jump in terms of profits in the December quarter. While the company's filings also show that the profits have surged largely because of a one-time income gain, higher revenues, and also the outlook points to a healthy trajectory for the company. And also in some more good news for the Adani enterprises, JP Morgan has said that the group still remains eligible for inclusion in its key indices, and still the market rout in the Adani Group stock is over $100 billion. The deep losses, of course, started after a US research firm, Hindenburg, alleged that Adani Enterprises was committing the biggest fraud in corporate history. And this was a report that came out on the 24th of January, followed by additional scrutiny by regulators, the federal government, and also the ratings agencies. For now, though, the storm seems to have, at the moment, subsided, but the ebb and flow of the news will, of course, keep the business empire and its investors on their toes as the Hindenburg versus the Adani saga continues to play out. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.